Making money online, it kind of sounds like a bit of a scam. But the truth is, there's actually a bunch of ways you can do it. So in today's video, I'm going to cover a few different ways you can actually make money online that are legitimate, authentic business ideas that are basically simple and almost anyone can start, and many teenagers and kids have even started in the past. So let's get into it. Now, as I said, you want to treat this like a business. So you want to make sure you have a strong presence online, whether it be a website, social media, YouTube channel, something like that, or even running paid ads. You need a way to reach people if you want to take advantage of these methods, because essentially you still need people to actually see what it is you're offering if they're going to act on it and give you any money. The first one is to sell other people's products, also known as affiliate marketing. So the idea is you sign up for a product or a program somewhere because there's a business selling something that you would also like to sell to your audience. So let's say you're selling hats on Amazon that you see that you think your audience would love. You can actually sign up to the Amazon affiliate program and share a link to that hat. And if anyone who clicks on that link buys that hat or anything else from Amazon, you will make a small percentage on the sale. Not very much, 4 or 5%. But there are other affiliate programs out there where you can make a lot more money. So if you're selling software like WordPress themes or even subscription services, they will actually pay you a percentage on the sale, which is much higher. Sometimes you'll have a product that might cost $70 or $80. And if it's a digital product, you might make anywhere from 30 to 50 or more % per sale. So if I've sold a product that is $80 and it's software, but I have a 50% commission, then I get $40 every time I sell that product through my affiliate link. And the good news is affiliate programs are generally free to sign up for. You sign up, they set you up with a link you can use or various links. You put them where you need to and you can start selling those products. So if you want more information on affiliate marketing, I actually have a bit more in the description below if you want to look into that and learn a bit more about it. The second is print on demand. So the idea is that if you are a designer or not a designer, but you're handy with Photoshop or Illustrator or even Canva, you can create t-shirts and designs to put onto t-shirts, water bottles and things like that, and they will be listed on a website that sells them. And the idea is you don't pay any money, it's free. A customer goes on, finds the object they want, whether it's a shirt or a hat or something, and if they pick the one with your design on it and buy it, the print-on-demand company will grab that item, print the design on it, and ship it. And you get a percentage on top. So if you're selling a shirt for $25, it has, your logo on it or some kind of funny phrase, and it costs, say, Redbubble, which is a business, $20 to print that, you'll get $5 every time that shirt sells, and you don't have to keep any inventory, and it's free to start. Check out places like Zazzle, Redbubble, Spreadshirt. I'll put a list again in the description below. There's a resource and a blog post which has all this info on there, and check those out if you want to start selling print-on-demand shirts. And that's a very powerful way to make money with very little. If you don't have a website or social media following, you can get started and use their marketplace to sell. But you will get better results if you can drive people to your own products. The next method is to start a YouTube channel. So if you're good at creating videos and you can build a following, or even if you just want to have fun doing it, you don't have to be good at it, you can start creating videos on YouTube. It's free to start, free to sign up. If you have videos you think people would use or watch, start creating videos. If you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you are eligible to apply for monetization, which means any ads that run on your videos, you get a percentage of. I use this myself, and I make in Australian dollars about $1,000 a month for my YouTube channel, which is very handy because it's pretty much passive. Even though I'm constantly updating, it's actually a lot of older videos making that money while the newer videos grow and gain an audience. The other thing too is there are other avenues besides ads. As your audience and your subscriber rate grows, you can do things like link to your Spreadshop store or whatever print-on-demand service they linked up with, mentioned in the last tip. You can also do things like accept thanks, so someone can actually donate money to you if they find your video useful. And there are many other methods that YouTube are coming out with to pay creators. And this is their way of keeping their platform filled with good content, is by paying people to come up with it because it's user generated. The next one is freelancing. Now, regardless of what your service is, whether you're a designer or an SEO specialist or a copywriter or anything you can sell online as a service, you can actually offer and make money from. You can do this on your website. You can even go into places like Upwork or Fiverr and sell this kind of service online. I do recommend establishing your own brand though, because the competitive nature of those online freelancing services means you quite often don't get what you're worth. But freelancing is a very realistic way to get started quickly, because if you have a few people you know or a bit of an audience, the second you make your first sale, you get a certain chunk of that money very quickly. Whereas passive income methods take a longer time to generate. If you sell, say, a website, if you're a web designer, that's $2,000 or $3,000, all you need is one sale to make that first $2,000 or $3,000. So freelancing is a great way to get started if you want to make money online pretty quickly. Now, if you've got a good social media following, you can also sell sponsored social media posts. So if you're able to get a lot of attention with your social media profile, if you're something of an influencer, or maybe you just have a very popular profile on Instagram or TikTok or something like that, is you can actually sell sponsored posts. So maybe you have so many spots a month that people can pay a predetermined amount of money to basically post about what it is they want to post about. Sponsored posts are a great way for people to leverage their social media audience and make money that way. And it doesn't require a website or anything too fancy. Just a free social media account and obviously the skill to build a good following, which is essentially what you're selling. And one of the biggest ones out there is building an online course. If you create an online course, you can sell information or teach people how to gain a certain skill. And if there's a value behind that skill, you can generally charge more. So if you're selling, say, something about how to set up a tripod, which I'm looking at right now while I'm filming, you're probably not going to get a lot of money for that. If you sell a course on how to use Photoshop, you could probably sell that for $50 or $100. But if you're, say, selling how to build a business that makes you $500,000 a year, you could probably sell that for up to $2,000. The idea is that the value is reflected in the price, but creating an online course is pretty simple these days with tools such as Teachable or Udemy will sell generally smaller courses. You can create an online course by signing up for one of these platforms. It's generally free too, so I'll pop a link in the description below, but you can create an online course around whatever it is you're trying to sell and pop it up there, push it to your audience, and if they buy, they buy, and you get a passive income from then on out. Once the course is made, you can simply leave it there to generate money without you. The final thing I want to say is, if you're going to make money online, building an audience is a powerful way to increase your income. And if you combine some of the methods I've mentioned here, you can actually really build quite a large business. You don't have to pick just one. You could be a freelancer who does affiliate marketing on the side and build money up that way. And then you could do what I did, start a YouTube channel. I was a freelancer, I make money from affiliate marketing, and now my YouTube channel is making me money. And then of course I started making print-on-demand products and made money that way. You can have several methods to make money online and simply give attention to the one that's performing the best. And then as you free up your time or your resources, you can then start put attention in other areas, or even hire people to work on those areas if you're making enough as it is. Growing online, a lot of these methods are free to start. So combine those, build an audience, and the final tip I say about that is to build an email list, which I will also link to below on how to get started with that. Building an email list means you're more likely to sell to your audience because it has the highest rate of conversion online, more than social media or anything like that. So start an email list, offer a free lead magnet or something to entice them to sign up, and offer some value, send out a few emails, and then tell them about your products or your offering. And that's a great way to make more money online using the methods I've just discussed. Keep in mind though, any skill you learn in this process can also be sold. I started my online business by creating a fitness website because I was very heavily involved in fitness, and it didn't work out. But the skills I gained running that website allowed me to pivot and do something better until I got to where I am today, which is working from home, online in my own business, earning various methods of income to support myself and my family, which is 2 kids, wife, all from this one business. So I hope you gained something valuable from this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like. And if you have any other methods that you think might be worthwhile, drop them in the comments below, or any questions, let me know, drop them in the comments below. It also helps to support this channel so I can give you more free information like this. But otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.